Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a little different. I will always make cooking videos, but I love trying new things on this channel, so I hope you like the video. Right here I'm having some avocado, apple, and mango. I don't really like eating in the morning, so I decided to try something light and simple. So for lunch, I am having fried eggs with bagel. I love onions in my eggs. Comment down below and let me know if you do too. And I'm also adding some habanero pepper, just a little bit. I love the flavor and the spice it adds to the egg. And yeah, it was really delicious. So I recommend you try this if you haven't. It was really good. I also added some lettuce. I haven't tried this before, but it was pretty good. For dinner time, I am having cassava leaf. A couple of days ago, I was craving cassava leaf so bad. I was like, I have to have cassava leaf. I have to have cassava leaf. So right here, I am making me some cassava leaf cool rice. I have some jasmine rice in a pot. Let me know what kind of rice do you have at home. I'm adding the soup, and I'm just gonna cook this until I have some cross action going on. For a late night snack, I am having oranges and mango. I hope you guys like the video. If you're not following me already, you can find me on Instagram at IBeeTheChef. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.